there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily turn on and off the screen rotation of your iPhone 14 and how you can also flip screen on iPhone 14. So what you want to do and how you can easily do it is, let's say, look at this, I have messages here, let's say, and look at this, I can come here and voila, and you can do this too. So you would go top right, and then you see this button here on the Wi-Fi, and you would turn it on, or turn it off, and this is turn it on, and this is pretty much how you do it. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and you know how it goes. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya. So again, you would go like this, and then you can click here and here. And that's pretty much it.